Daddy, ano no?
Oo, careful, careful. Come here.
Daddy, is it duende?
Duwende. No,
Is it duende?
Hindi.
Is it a grass?
It's okay. Ah. Come here, I'm here.
Daddy,
I will not.
don't close the zipper.
Yes, I will not. I will not. Wait.
Daddy, maguhulog ako.
Hindi ka mahuhulog. You will not hulog place. Oh, di ba? Ayun. It's okay. It's okay. You relax. Oh. Pwede? You ano naman na. Yung mga talaga. You will not hulog. I'm here. I'm here. I will copy lang. I will get the small ano, wait lang. Unan. I'm here, Nakle, wait lang. Hindi, yan ka lang. O, yan, bantay kita. Use ko na. Relax na. Go, 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 go. Protect your nails by it's black. Kailangan ka. It's okay.
Daddy, can you buy me a small one so yan?
This one, much better bigger so that you're not heavy. Because you're not heavy. You're light lang. You're light. You will not lose weight. Wait. Kailan yung tita?
I need a meat, mommy. I need a meat, mommy.
Para meron tayong remembrance.
Again?
Yes, always remembrance.
Sabi YouTube.
Opo. So that when you're big na and I'm old na, we can see each other bonding in the morning while ate is sleeping.
Daddy. I see the duwende.
Saan?
There, oh, on the tree. Make sure don't point at duwende. Daddy, kita po si duwende.
Yeah. How is your sleep?
Sabi. Today is Saturday.
Sunday, 7 o'clock.
Why did you wake up me? It's not school time.
School time, I did not wake up you, Clay. You're the one, gising. I walk silently nga lang. But you,
Kasi dapat nung you buy a small duyan, dapat walang zip.
walang zipper.
Yes.
I can do that, the zipper. I will, tuyo. Because it's nawala na ng kahapon, di ba? It's a little bit wet.
Can you buy me a small duyan?
Yun na, para
Kasya ako.
kasya ka naman dyan na. It's like you have a big bed.
When I'm 3 years old, you gonna buy me a small duyan?
6 years
Gano'n?
old ka na, 6 ka na, magsi-7 ka na. Malapit ka na mag-7.
2?
7?
Grade 2?
Yes, mag-grade 2. Birthday mo muna. Sa May, tapos 2, June, grade 2.
Malapit ako 7.
Yes, malapit ka mag-7. Tapos si ate, lilipat na sa school. Ibang school. Because big na siya. Wala kasing grade 7 dyan, only grade 6 lang eh. Kung merong grade 7 dyan, dyan si ate. Kaso walang grade 7, kaya lilipat ka ng school. That's why ate is taking care of you.
Sasatayin yung SM?
Matabi tabi sa SM.
Daddy! Wait. when you sundo ate, when. Daddy, when I see grade 2, I'll stay there pa? Because I'm not grade 7.
Yes. You will stay there sa St. Paul dyan, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. Then pag grade 6 ka na, last na yung grade 6. Pag grade 7 ka na, susunod ka na kay ate. You will see her again. But you're big na, kahit dalawa. She will teach you how to,
He's not a... When she's kasama her? When she's kasama her?
Kasi ate,
Ate she's kasama her?
maybe she will sama her.
Baka alone ako dito.
Hindi, I'm here, play.
Walang kasama dito sa may symbol na Quezon Center eh.
Hindi. That's why you make friends. You talk to them. Don't be quiet. Be talkative.
Ano?
You play with
dyan?
them. You drink with them.
Tsaka grade 5, tsaka grade 6 na.
Alin?
Yung grade 5.
Hindi, grade 5 lang. You make friends sa grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. Like si ate, grade 6, di ba? Ikaw, grade 1. You make friends with ate's friend, ate's classmate. Di ba they hug you? Oh. You say, you greet them. You say, you have fun lang, ha? You have fun, okay? You greet them. You. Well, let's go inside na.
Okay. Let me see. Can you